Hey guys, it's Lonan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking you through the products that I've made my 2017 face a lot more better. Let's translate that to English, please. Hey guys, it's Lonan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is my Instagram, this is my Snapchat, and the subscribe button is down there. Be sure to hit it. I know it's annoying saying it before the video's even started, but just look at my face and rethink your decision. Am I right? So today I'm going to be talking you through the products that I absolutely loved in 2017. My face loved them, my Instagram loved them, my YouTube loved them. So yeah, let's hop into the video now. As you can see by the intro, I'm holding some brushes in my hand, so I'd just like to go through 3 brushes that I've absolutely adored this year. The first of which is the 25 brush by Kat Von D. I think it's the tapered powder brush. I'm obsessed with this brush. It is literally so good for just sweeping away the bake, for under your eyes, for everything. This brush is insane and it's so soft and fluffy. Like, I would just like rub this on my face all day. It is amazing. The next brush is the Kat Von D Shade and Light brush. I have heard a load of people rave about this, seen it in store, bought one back in April and then it got robbed. So I went and bought another one because I loved it so much. And these brushes aren't cheap. That's how much I loved them. Like, I was willing to pay the extra money to get another one. And I absolutely love it for contouring, for highlighting. These 2 Kat Von D brushes are my absolutely favourite brushes. I'm going to be picking up a lot more for brush collection in the new year, which is this year because it's January. My last favourite brush is the Morphe M501, which I just used to highlight. I absolutely freaking love this brush. It is so fluffy, so amazing for highlighting, and it's really, really nice, so get this brush. I'm gonna move on to the palettes now. The first palette, you know, is Kat Von D Shade and Light, because I religiously use this like in every single video. This woman is a god. She is up there. This product, as you can see, I've nearly hit pan on the top 3 shades. This product is literally my favorite thing ever. I don't know how people contour with products other than this. Like, I tried other products and it's not been working, and then I get this and it's literally insane. Like, I don't know how you live without this if you don't have this. The next product, do I even need to show this in the video? We all know Jaclyn Hill is literally the ultimate queen. She is like, do I even need to say anything for this product? What would I do without this? The blending and the colours and everything about this palette is the best thing ever. It's the best eyeshadow palette I've ever seen on the market. The best for the quality, for the price. I don't know a single eyeshadow palette better than this. It's literally insane. I'm gonna go through my other products in order as you put them on. First things first is the Fenty foundation. So far I have like 10, maybe 11 foundations in my collection, and this is literally the best thing ever. I have nothing much to say about it, but you need to get your hands on it. I'm in the shade 260 and it's literally incredible. Like, everything is gone. If you had an ice cube planted on your face, like slap bang in the middle, an ice cube is just chilling there, this would have it covered in seconds. The next product isn't kind of a raved up product on YouTube, but I have this NYX full coverage concealer in the shade Porcelain. This is literally amazing for setting my eyes. It's so cheap and it's an amazing product for other eyeshadows to work on, and also it's amazing for lighting your skin, for highlighting. So I feel like this needs to be talked about a lot more on YouTube, because for the quality and the price of this, it's so like good. Anyway, the light's getting dark, so I need to hurry up and chop. The next thing I have is the Fenty Matchstick in the shade Cocoa. This stuff is literally like, it's amazing. I always get compliments when wearing this as for contour and bronze. Like, everyone's like, oh, your bronze is so nice. This is what got me to that stage. So if I was you, I would go and get your hands on this, because as you can see with the foundation and the matchstick, really did pull through this year with the Fenty range. I want to spend every dollar from my bank account in the Fenty range, which I probably will do. The next product I want to mention is the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I know every single person on the entire platform of YouTube raves about this, but I just wanted to say as well that this stuff is like amazing. I don't know where I would be this year without it. I know I would be foundationless and concealerless, but yeah, this stuff is literally incredible. It just keeps everything on your face. It sets like a dream and it's so easy to work with. Look up your nearest Selfridges or wherever sells this product and run, stir, whatever, over there, and yeah, thank you later. Coming on to my last couple of products, the next product I wanted to mention is again by Kat Von D, and it is our tattoo liner. There's not really much to say about this, but if you're looking for an easy liner that is going to be very, very black and very easy to apply for beginners or even advanced, to do wings or just simple thin liner, this is your one. It's very precise, it's very easy to work with and smooth, so that's why I wanted to include this, because this year has been so much easier for liner with this because of that. Moving on to mascara, I have the Maybelline Lash Sensational in the waterproof. I've had this literally sitting in my drawer for like a year. That's probably disgusting and out of date, but this literally makes my lashes amazing. The most complimented thing I get complimented about, if that makes any sense, is my lashes, because I have naturally long lashes and this literally makes them look $1 million. Everyone always compliments my lashes, and without this, like, we're a duo team. Moving on to highlight, my favourite highlighters this year have been from Topshop, the Crescent Moon and Sunbeam highlighters. They are incredibly shining, pigmented, and I don't know, they're really good highlighters. I've never heard anyone rave about them. They're kind of glittery, they're also really cheap. Every time I wear these, everyone's like going on about my highlight. Like, these honestly are so good. I want these to be like raved about more because I think they deserve a lot more attention on YouTube. These have literally made my 2017 glow to the gods, so thank you Topshop, and please go and buy these and thank me later. This year for lips, these have been my two favourite colours, Birthday Sweet by Kylie and Heartbreaker by Huda Beauty. Like, the colours are stunning, the formulations are also stunning, but in particular the Huda, the smell of this is literally amazing. I want to drink it, it is that good. These two have been my favourite products all year for my lips. There's not really much more to say. That brings me to the end of my 2017 makeup favourites this year. I really do hope you guys invest in some of these products, because I promise your 2018 is going to be on fleek if you get these products. I did not just say on fleek. Please do check out these products. This isn't affiliated or anything like this, but I would just really hope you guys go and purchase these products because they are amazing and honestly you need them in your makeup collection. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below what video you want me to see next, and subscribe of course if you are new and you enjoy my content. If you want to see more of my annoying Irish ass, then you better hit that button down there. My Instagram and Snapchat are on screen now, my Twitter is in the description, and until next time, I love you all, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.